Hey everyone, if your Venmo account has been suspended, don't worry. We'll go over the steps to fix it and regain access. Why is your Venmo account suspended? Venmo may suspend accounts if they detect activity that violates their user agreement or credit card policies. This could be due to unusual transactions, security concerns, or failed payments. If your account gets suspended, Venmo will send you an email with details. So make sure to check your inbox and spam folder. How to fix a suspended Venmo account. Here's what you need to do. Check your email. Venmo will send instructions regarding your suspension. Reply to Venmo's email. If you received a suspension notice, reply directly to that email for assistance. If you can't find the email, contact Venmo support. Go to the Venmo Help Center and reach out to their support team. Follow Venmo's verification process. If Venmo requests documents, make sure to submit them correctly to prove your identity and resolve any issues. If the issue is a failed payment, you may need to resolve the outstanding balance before Venmo reinstates your account. Once Venmo verifies everything, they should restore your account access. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Venmo support for further help. That's it for today's guide. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.